Imagine you're a father, the proud dad of a beautiful child. You've loved them, cared for them, and been a part of their life since the very beginning. But you and the child's mother were never married. Now, you've separated, and in a gut-wrenching moment, you're told you have no legal rights, no say in your child's education, no guaranteed time with them, no legal standing. Your entire world, a relationship you thought was unbreakable, is suddenly deferred to the mother. This isn't just a hypothetical scenario, it's the legal reality for unmarried fathers across the United States. In most states, the law is rooted in a traditional principle that grants the mother sole custody at birth. A father, even if his name is on the birth certificate, has to fight for the rights he assumes are naturally his. He needs to obtain a kind of parenting license to be a parent to his own child. This is a journey that starts with establishing paternity, a legal step to confirm the biological link, and then a long road through the court system to prove that a relationship with the father is in the child's best interest. This mother-first approach is common in states like New York, New Jersey, Ohio, Tennessee, and Indiana. Here, the father starts at a disadvantage. While he petitions the court to obtain his license, the mother maintains full legal and physical custody. This creates a powerful and often insurmountable obstacle known as the status quo. The court, in its wisdom, favors stability for the child. If the mother has been the child's sole caretaker for months or even years, while the father's case moves through the system, the court will be very reluctant to change that arrangement. The status quo becomes a significant factor in the judge's decision, making it extremely difficult for the father to ever gain primary custody. He'll likely be granted some form of visitation, but the odds of him ending up with the child as the primary custodial parent are slim. But what if a state tried to break this mold? That's what Florida's House Bill 775, often called the Good Dad Act, tried to do. This landmark legislation sought to level the playing field. In a groundbreaking move, it created a presumption of equal parental rights for both the unmarried mother and the father once paternity is legally established. The idea was to move away from the mother-first presumption and promote co-parenting from the outset. While this is a step in the right direction, the legal system still presents immense challenges. A father facing an uncooperative mother must hire an attorney. In a contested case, the costs can start at thousands of dollars and quickly spiral. We've seen documented cases like a father in New Jersey where a massive backlog of family court cases meant even with a straightforward case, the father was forced to spend over $300,000 and wait over 3 years for a judgment, during which the mother had the vast majority of time with their child. So, while the law in some states is evolving, the reality remains. Being an unmarried father with a child in the wrong state can mean facing a long, expensive, and often uphill battle to get the license to be a parent. It's a struggle to be a recognized and formal presence in a child's life, and a testament to the fact that while love can create a family, the law often has a different rule book. So what should we do? Well, the truth is, this isn't just a story I've been telling you. It's my story. I am the unmarried father from New Jersey who spent over $300,000 to get legal rights to my son. I went through the years of court backlogs, the stacks of denied motions, the endless fees for forensic psychologists and legal transcripts. I lived the nightmare. I fought every single day, not for money, not for property, but for the right to be my son's father. I'm telling you this now because the answer to the question of what we should do isn't just about changing laws. It's about shining a light on a system that is fundamentally broken for people who just want to be parents. To raise awareness to help other fathers and mothers avoid this nightmare, and to be a voice for change, I've created a channel to share my story and others like it. If this story resonated with you, if you believe that a father shouldn't need a license to be a parent, please do me one favor. Don't just feel for me, help me. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this story with everyone you know. Together we can make sure no other parent has to live the nightmare I did.